Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you are all doing well. So in this video we'll show you how to apply screen protector on the cover display of Galaxy Z Fold7. Before we start, please don't forget to like the video and support us by subscribing. Thank you so much. So let's get started.
So in this video I'm going to apply this screen protector I got from Samsung. This is the anti-reflective film for the Z Fold7. Honestly, they should have just applied this already on the screen, but Samsung's making money in every way possible. I can't believe you have to buy this, and this wasn't cheap, so I'm going to be applying it on the front screen, really, only just the front screen. I don't want the beautiful new device getting scratched, so let's do this first thing. This thing, I guess, is to keep the phone in place. Stickers to remove any dust, and the squeegee. And there's the screen protector. Take it out. So you get two in here, which is good. The screen a quick clean. I guess you put the phone that way because others this Mr. Wobbly and it's not going to sit anywhere, so it's not much of a wobble now. Let's get one of the dust screen removers out. Plenty of dust. Okay, so once you've cleared all the dust from the screen and the screen looks good, next thing, just place the screen protector on the plastic bit that's applied, ensuring that this holes on the screen protector are matching those slots. That allows you to line up the screen protector very well against the screen. And then apply the first part of the screen, the top part like you can see here, and then just with your finger just push the bubbles out as I'm doing. Once you've got most of the bubbles out like that, then do the same thing for the bottom part. Again, just hold on to that little plastic bit, otherwise your phone will rock probably or move. You don't want that sliding away. So then lift up the bottom part and push out the protected part of the screen protector, and then just again with your thumb or your fingers just fix the screen protector in place, just like that. At this point you'll still have lots of bubbles everywhere probably, but this is you're just placing it, fixing it into position. Once that's done, now get the squeegee, and using the squeegee just spend a bit of time, be patient and push out all the bubbles. What I tend to do is I push it out to the closest exit point, for example like on the left, like you see those bubbles in the middle. So just keep pushing the bubbles out. Do that everywhere. You see the screen protector is applied nicely because of that holder that comes with it. So it's a good guide that helps you applying the screen protector properly. So yeah, keep pushing all the bubbles out. You have to be a bit patient because it may seem like you got lots of bubbles and it's looking horrible. Push out as much as you can. There will still be some bubbles left, as you see, but don't worry about them. They will just sort of completely disappear after a while. Maybe by the next day completely disappear. And don't apply too much force because you don't want to damage your screen, but apply reasonable force when you're trying to get the bubbles out. Concentrate on the bubbles and push them out. Even if you have to use your fingernails a bit, I usually do as well, and I did here. Final part is just to carefully lift this bit of the protective plastic bit, and as you can see there are some bubbles. I'll show it in a second. but that's fine. These bubbles will dry out very quickly anyway. Also, there's a line in the middle where the two part of the screen protector was, so that's also gonna just absolutely disappear. I think this is it. As you can see, there's a line here, but trust me, it's going to go away. So here's a quick follow-up of the screen protector that I applied. So as you remember, there was a line here in the middle because of the split. So it seemed like there's going to be some bubbles and there's going to be some lines. And there were some tiny bubbles elsewhere in some parts. As you can see now, it's all gone, all nice and clean. But yeah, it's all nice and clear now. So yeah, when you apply your screen protector, if you do have any bubbles or any tiny bubbles or any lines like that in the middle, don't worry, it just goes away. Maybe it takes a few hours, sometimes maybe overnight. If you leave it overnight, it just dries up completely. When the screen's on, it sort of dries out any bubbles. That's what I always find. As you can see here, there's not a single bubble here now. It looks all nice and clean, and doesn't even look like there's a screen protector on this beautiful device.
So that's all for today, guys. We've got loads of content coming up on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic Z Fold7, so do subscribe and keep that notification bell on for our upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.